It didn't take long for someone to see the rendering and commission its construction. That person was Michael Bay, a filmmaker known for action-packed, big-budget films such as the Transformers series, Armageddon, and Pearl Harbor. Although the concept began with Oppenheim, the construction of the structure involved a much larger team. The Los Angeles architecture firm, Rios Clementi Hale Studios, was the first to come on board, followed by designers Lorraine Letendre and Lynda, who crafted the interiors. The entry procession begins in the courtyard, passing through a sunken garden, leading to a central inner plaza and a grand staircase. A sculptural approach to form and mass blurs the boundaries between classical and modern design, creating a universal and timeless architecture. Scale, proportion, procession, and materiality are all finely tuned to create intense pleasure and charm. The 30,000 square foot residence is composed of rectangular forms and astonishing cantilevers. Pools on 2 levels, one measuring almost 300 feet in length, have a glass edge for uninterrupted views across the city. An impressive hillside staircase leads to a second pool at the lower level. The resulting forms are silent yet monumental, intimate yet grand. They converse with the physical environment through sweeping landscape staircases, reflective ponds, and views framed on a magnificent scale. This house evokes the minimalism of art galleries, where the architecture recedes to highlight the art, in this case, the views of Bel Air and the life and rituals of the inhabitants. Two independent volumes are stacked and perfectly balanced on top of the main level of the house. One volume is a suite for Bay, the other for VIP guests. The 4-year construction process of the house was well worth it. Bay's desire was not just to create a house, but a total and immersive experience that transports to another world. And he succeeded.